A scale that only measures weight is so last century. Today's smart scales measure body fat, muscle mass, bone density, hydration, and much more, all in just 10 seconds, barefoot and standing on the scale. For older adults, this information is a powerful health tool. Today I'll show you how they work, which ones to buy, and how to interpret the results. Smart scales use electrical bioimpedance. An imperceptible electric current passes through your body and the resistance measures your body composition. The most common parameters are weight, in kilograms; BMI, body mass index; body fat, percentage of fat; muscle mass, amount of muscle; body water, percentage hydration; bone mass, density and weight of bones; basal metabolism, the calories your body burns at rest; visceral fat, fat around the organs, a heart risk factor. As we age, our bodies change in composition, muscle mass decreases and fat increases, even without a weight change. This is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the main factors for weakness and falls in older adults. A smart scale can detect these changes long before they become visible. If muscle mass is decreasing, your doctor might recommend specific exercises or protein supplementation to help. Withings Body Plus, the most accurate. Automatic user recognition, up to 8 people. Wi-Fi sync, no need to open the app. Integrates with Apple Health, Google Fit, and medical apps. Features an instant feedback screen and weather update. Price, about $70 to $90. Xiaomi Mi Body Composition Scale 2, best value. Measures up to 13 body composition parameters. Very simple and visually appealing Mi Fit app. Can track up to 16 users. Elegant design with tempered glass. Price, around $25 to $35. Garmin Index S2, for Garmin users. Perfect integration with the Garmin ecosystem. Built-in Wi-Fi, syncs automatically. Detailed history in the Garmin Connect app. Ideal if a family member already uses a Garmin watch. Price, approximately $120 to $150. General setup, Step 1, download the corresponding app, HealthMate, Mi Fit, or Garmin Connect. Step 2, create a profile with your age, height, and gender. It's essential for accurate calculations. Step 3, connect the scale to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Step 4, first weighing, barefoot, remove your socks, and preferably after fasting. Step 5, check the full report in the app. For consistent results, always weigh at the same time under the same conditions, ideally in the morning, after using the bathroom, and before eating. For older adults, 65 and above, body fat percentage. For men, 20% to 30% is normal, over 30%, it's considered excess. For women, 28% to 38% is normal, over 38%, it's considered excess. Muscle mass should stay stable with age. A drop of more than 1 kilogram per year can be a warning sign for sarcopenia. Visceral fat ranges from 1 to 59. Below 13 is healthy, and above 13 increases the risk of heart disease. Bioimpedance isn't as precise as a clinical DEXA scan. Things that can affect the reading include hydration. Drinking lots of water will boost your water percentage and change other values. Recent exercise can temporarily alter your composition. And if you have a pacemaker, don't use bioimpedance scales at all. Pregnancy also gives unreliable results. For older adults with pacemakers, stick to traditional weight scales only. A smart scale turns daily weigh-ins into a health checkup. For older adults who want to monitor their body composition and keep their muscle mass, it's an investment that's definitely worth it. Have you tried a smart scale? What do you think of the data it provides? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate your likes and subscriptions. See you in the next video.